For this project, you are going to draw shapes in 1-point perspective. Don't forget to write your name and code on the back of your paper. Start with a dot or a vanishing point. You could do it in the middle, a little bit above or below. I like to start in the middle because it's a little bit easier to fit all my shapes that way. Then you are going to draw your 6 shapes using the shape tracers, or you could do it just all on your own. This just makes it a little bit faster and easier. I'm using the more medium size shape for each tracer, but you could pick one that's a little bit smaller, a little bit bigger. Just make sure that they're all gonna fit on there. And you're gonna cut them out, so you don't wanna choose like the really small ones. And make sure you have a little bit of distance between your shape and the vanishing point. Now you're supposed to have 6 shapes. I only have 5 from the tracers, so you need to pick a 6th one on your own. I did a heart, but you could do a star, or you could do the first letter of your first name. Again, it's your choice. Then I'm going to take my ruler and start drawing my lines. So remember, you need to draw a line from each corner or each edge to the dot. So for the circle, I only drew 2 because circles don't have any corners. And then for the hexagon, I did about 3, making sure that my lines didn't cross over that shape or any of my other shapes. And I'm going to continue to do this process until all my lines are drawn. Now you can see I didn't finish quite yet, but I wanted to show you how to color these in really quick. So you're going to use colored pencil. Do not use marker because you're not going to get different shades of the same color. So I'm starting darkest towards the dot or the vanishing point and getting lighter and lighter until I reach the shape. And I'm going to do that for each section of each shape. Now, if you are feeling like that lighter area isn't light enough, you can use an eraser and the colored pencil should erase a little bit. And then for the actual shape part, you're just gonna color that in solid. I'm gonna finish this up in super speed mode. I'm gonna let you decide if you want to use an ultra thin Sharpie for this project, or you can just skip the Sharpie. I like to use Sharpie because then I feel like I can see all the lines a lot better. But again, I will let you decide what you want to do. I'm going to do this process, the shading process for each shape until all my shapes are colored.